you watch this channel, you know I'm the UpHex guy, but I'm about to show you something that in 2026 can make you a ton of money, especially if you're doing lead generation. Okay, so just watch with, and it's so easy. I'm gonna show you 3 steps and you're gonna be like, boom, anybody can do this. All right, so a lot of people know about the UpHex ads library, right? We have all these pre-built ads. Look through all these categories. You know, you come in, you import these things, you use them. But let's say on the off chance you don't want to use those, there's something in your niche that's not in there. What do you do? I'm going to show you something. It's going to blow your brain balls. It's awesome. All right. So the first thing is we have this awesome creative studio. You can come in here and you can create all sorts of images. You got an image generator, a video generator, but this right here is where we're going to make some serious cashola today. All right. So we're going to go to the template generator and there's all these different things you can do. Today, we're going to go through the guided interview. Guided interview. Okay. Now, what is this doing? This is going to create an awesome bespoke. So you own it. This is just yours. It's going to create an awesome Facebook campaign that you can run and get awesome qualified leads. I'm going to talk to you about the engine behind it in just a second, but let's go through this in steps. So the first thing is it's a guided interview. You're going to chat with our AI engine, which is Uppy, and then answer the questions naturally. And then it's going to give you a template. Boom, like that. Now, I'm going to give you a little shortcut. So here is a prompt that wherever you're watching this, I'll have it linked below so you can grab it and use it. I'm going to copy this. All right. I'm going to go over and you'll notice right here where it says local business type. So chiropractor, dentist, whatever, that's the niche that you're trying to generate leads for. Then primary problem. So this is the end user. I'll show you here in this in just a second. And then this is the niche. All right. So this is the template. This is what you have to change. And then I'm going to show you, this is crazy. All right. So the first step is now I'm using Gemini. You can use whatever engine you want to, whatever you like to do with research. I'm going to go ahead and paste this in here and expand this so I can edit this. Okay. So niche service, primary problem, and then local business. So I like to kind of start from the way I think, right? So local business, this is, I'm going to do chiropractors offering spinal decompression services. All right. Now, the primary problem that spinal decompression helps with is get relief from sciatica. Is that how you spell that? Nope. Sciatica pain, disc pain, pinched nerve with spinal decompression. It's non-surgical, it'll know what I mean, and very effective. All right. And then the service is, the niche service is spinal decompression. All right. So this will work in any niche that you're in. And then we hit go, right? Now I'm here in pro. Normally I probably should have done it in thinking. It would have given me a little bit, it would have given me a little bit more thinking, but pro's okay. We're going to get probably everything we need. So this thing's going to think for a second. It's going to give me some awesome audience research. Why do you need audience research? Well, most of your marketing falls flat because your ads are not informed by the end user. They're informed by the businesses you work with. So the chiropractors telling you why they're so great, whatever the case may be, right? All right, what a bad day looks like. So it's giving me all of the audience research that I need. I'm not even going to read through this because I can tell, and that prompt just produces awesome outputs. So are we done yet? Okay, we're going to go ahead and hit copy. All right, now this is where the magic comes in. See how easy that was? I gave you the prompt. Now we're going to go ahead and start the interview. Boom. Okay. In a normal situation, like if you didn't do any audience research, it's going to walk you through questions and do some research for you. But when you load it up with a ton of context, like we just did right here, you're going to watch this awesome process just be really easy. Now, I will tell you this. What is the engine and data behind the Uppy ad engine? Well, 8,000 leads a day, mapping out what works best. We've been doing this for 5 years. We are informed by the tactics and techniques that work for local lead generation. This thing is a beast. All right, so let's see what it says. Wow, this is absolutely incredible. Thank you, Uppy. This is some of the most detailed and insightful audience research I've ever known. Let's see. Right now, it's going to tell us how great we are. Very polite, right? The main goal is to get them to book a low-cost introductory offer, like a $49 discovery offer. Does that sound like a perfect summary? Yes. Yes. You nailed it. Let's just be nice to our AIs, guys. Let's just be nice. All right, boom. So what's going to happen is it's going to go around. It's going to confirm that okay, amazing. I have everything I need. I'm building your template right now. So in the background, this thing is going through. It is using a performance matrix, and it is creating everything you need. The image, the copy, the headlines, the offer. So you even saw it just confirmed that the offer was okay right there. It's doing everything we need to create a high performing ad campaign. And as soon as it's done, it's going to dump us into the actual campaign. And that will be the next step. I'll show you what we do when we get there.
A few moments later.
Oh my gosh, that was like no time at all. Okay, so now we're in the Uppy, we're inside UpHex. We're in the actual template view. There's a couple steps because we want to make sure that everything is good. So first off, it named the template. So spinal decompression, surgery alternative, lead gen. All right, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to put this in a category because we have to know where to find it later. So we're going to put it in chiropractic. That's who's going to use this. It's got us the standard lead gen. That's right. Okay, campaign settings. Now, the way we're going to do it is we're going to set it up in dynamic creative. That is turned on. With Andromeda, we're setting everything to dynamic creative. It's performing really well for local businesses. All right, additional settings, offer avatar, all this is good. We don't need to do any of this. Now, let's look at the actual, what it wrote. What did it do? Facing back surgery, read this first. Great hook. Avoid the knife, find relief. Okay. Just told you need back surgery? The thought of long recovery and uncertain results is terrifying, especially when you're already dealing with daily agony. That searing lightning strike down your leg, and that's exactly what it feels like. The fear of a simple sneeze dropping you to your knees, that's exactly like right on point. The exhaustion from the sleepless nights. You're not just sore, you're desperate for your life back. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just make a formatting adjustment. This is based on preference. I know when this comes out, I want it to visually read a specific way. A little bit of white space is good. Before you commit to the knife, there's an alternative. All right, I'm going to give it a little bit. I want this to live on its own. Non-surgical spinal decompression. It's FDA cleared technology designed to treat the source of the pain, the bulging or the herniated disc, without drugs, injections, or surgery. This is so good. It's not standard chiropractic. Oh, I like that. There's no cracking, popping, or, oh, that's so good. When I did this, I never actually put this in there. This is removing a sticking point that a lot of people have with this. This is so good. No, this is good. Okay. There's no cracking, popping, or twisting. It's a gentle, precise treatment that creates negative pressure inside the disc, allowing it to retract and heal naturally. Oh, that's great. We've created a special $49 discovery package for those who are serious about avoiding surgery. All right, I'm going to give this. Again, I know that when somebody reads this ad, if they are actually reading it, it's a little easier to read with some white space between different thoughts. It's included. It includes a full consultation, an in-depth MRI review, and your first decompression treatment. Click Learn More to see if you qualify and claim your voucher before they're gone. That's really good. That's really good. All right. Now, a lot of times the images fall flat. So we're going to go and check our images. The cool thing is we're using Nano Banana. You can really do a lot of really cool things with it depending on where you're at. Oh my gosh, dude, that is dialed. That is so dialed in. That is a visual representation. That is a very good image hook. Another one, this is awesome. Okay, before, after. Oh, this is fantastic. This is amazing. This is the kind of stuff we're getting now with Uppy. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Okay, put on your own socks again. Yeah, that's okay. I mean, I wouldn't say this is awesome, but with Andromeda, you need a variety of creative. So I would definitely test that. And then So Gentle, Patients Fall Asleep, maybe. I've done this niche for a while, so I might be a little bit more critical. And I would just upload my own images, right? I would just upload my own images. But for the most part, this is awesome. So continue to lead capture, the lead form, that's all set up. Okay, the greeting, optional but recommended, see if you qualify. There's everything. Everything is set up. Let's take a look at the targeting. The targeting for local businesses, you're going to want just broad general targeting. So 18 to 65, that's fine. We don't want any detailed targeting. Save template. You guys, that's it. We are done. That is all you need. And you can start launching that exact same ad for your clients and getting qualified. Awesome. I can't tell you how, like you saw how easy this was. This video is 11 minutes long and I'm talking the entire time. You too can now create awesome ads, even if you're a newbie, just guided by Uppy and using UpHex. So I hope that you're excited. I hope that adding lead generation into your portfolio and as a core service even seems a lot less daunting. And join UpHex today, get a free trial. How cool is this?